Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe me. Today I will talk about MVC. What is MVC? First of all, we have to say that what means MVC. MVC means Model View Controller. MVC or Model View Controller is a software design pattern commonly used for developing user interfaces that divide the related program logically into three interconnected elements. This is done to separate internal representation of information from the ways information is presented to end accept from the users. Which framework of Python support MVC? There is the list of below is the top Python framework that a web development company or developers are choosing in these days for enhancing website performance and time to market. These are Django, Flacon, Flask, Bottle, Pyramid, Tornado, Dash, Scenic, and these things. As an example, we are gonna explain that what is Tornado. Tornado is a Python web framework and synchronous network library originally developed at Front Free. Tornado uses non-blocking network and due to this, it can handle thousands of active server connections. It's a savior for applications where long polling and large number of active connections are maintained. Tornado or a simple example that how it works. Now we are gonna talk about programming technique for solving a problem. It means that which are the techniques or that programmer or developers are using for solving a problem in programming. Actually, there are 16 types of technique for solving problem in programming. Ad hoc, greedy, computational geometry, dynamic program, big names, two-dimensional. As an example, we are gonna explain 6 of them. First, greedy. A greedy algorithm is any algorithm that follows the problem-solving heuristic of making the local optimal choice at each stage. In many problems, a greedy strategy does not produce an optimal solution, but the greedy heuristic can yield locally optimal solution that approximate a globally optimal solution in a reasonable amount of time. Minimum spanning tree. The minimum spanning tree algorithm is developed by reversing the field of graph theory in mathematics. Thus, to understand this algorithm, we shall first understand what a spanning tree is. A spanning tree of a connected and directed graph is a subgraph. A tree structure that binds all vertices with a minimum each cost sum. Dynamic programming. Dynamic programming or PD is a technique that solves some particular type of problems in polynomial time. Dynamic programming solutions are faster than the exponential abroad method and can be easily proved for their correctness. It is a method for solving problems by breaking them down into a collection of simpler subproblems, solving each of these subproblems just once, and storing their solutions. The next time the same subproblem occurs, instead of decomposing its solution, you simply look up the previously computed solution. Ad hoc. The ad hoc problems are problems that cannot be classified anywhere else in the categories with well-studied solutions, since each problem description and its corresponding solution are unique. These problems do not fall under standard categories. There is no specific or general technique exists to solve them. Many ad hoc problems are easy, but this does not apply to all ad hoc problems. Network flow. The most common way to approach the max flow problem in polynomial time is the Ford-Fulkerens algorithm, or FFA. FFA is essentially a greedy algorithm, and it iteratively finds the augmenting path to increase the value of flow. Linear programming is used for obtaining the most optimal solution for a problem with given constraints. In linear programming, we formulate our real-life problem into a mathematical model. It involves an objective function, linear inequalities with subject to constraint. It's a simple technique where we depict complex relationship through linear functions and then find the points. Thank you everyone for watching this video. If you have any question, you can ask me in comment.